warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Akilan Nandif Aditara and I am from class 8.4. So now I will explain about bullying. Bullying is a dishonorable act that harms the victim and even affects their psychological health. Severe cases of bullying are also often found in schools. One example of bullying is avoiding or isolating friends at school. By doing this, the friend you are distanced from will feel sad, depressed, and make him feel uncomfortable or even inferior. It is important to know that children who are victims of bullying receive protection from the law. You could face criminal charges if you try to carry out bullying. Check out the explanation about bullying, its causes, and how to overcome it below. Types of bullying. Quoting the result of the bullying rate, the Ministry of PPA said there were 6 categories of bullying, namely 1. Direct physical contact. Physical bullying is the most flexible and easy to identify. Examples of physical bullying are hitting, pushing, grabbing, kicking, slapping, locking someone in a room, pinching, cooking, beating, scratching, spitting on and demaking and destroying the bullied, killed, belongs, blackmail, etc. 2. Direct verbal contact. Bullying in verbal form is usually the beginning of other bullying behavior and can be the first step towards further violence. Examples of verbal bullying are name calling, insult, slander, sarcasm, demeaning, criticizing, or ridiculing. Other actions that are categorized as bullying are intimidating, cursing, spreading gossip, insult, statements of sexual harassment, terror, intimidating letter, false accusations, malicious and false rumors, gossip, and so on. 3. Direct nonverbal behavior. This type of bullying includes the act of looking cynically, sticking out your tongue, showing the meaning, mocking, or treating facial expression, usually accompanied by physical or verbal bullying. 4. Indirect nonverbal behavior. The act of silencing someone, manipulating a friendship so that it cracks, deliberately isolating or ignoring, sending anonymous letters. 5. Cyberbullying. Acts of hurting other people using electronic media, video recording of intimidation, defamation via social media. 6. Sexual harassment. Sometimes act of harassment are categorized as physical or verbal aggression. Causes of bullying. According to Aristotle, quoted in the journal Factors that influence adolescents in bullying at Panjajaran University, the factors that cause bullying include 1. Family. Bullies often come from families with problematic parents who often punish their children excessively or home situation full of stress, aggression, and hostility. Children will learn bullying behavior when observing conflicts that occur with their parents and then imitate it to their friends. If there are no firm consequences from the environment for his experimental behavior, we will learn that those we are allowed to behave aggressively and that aggressive behavior can increase a person's status and power from her children develop bullying behavior. 2. School. School often ignore the existence of this bullying. As a result, children as perpetrators of bullying will receive reinforcement for their behavior to intimidate other children. Bullying is growing rapidly in the school environment, often providing negative feedback to students. For example, in the form of punishment that is not constructive so that is does not develop a sense of respect between fellow school members. 3. Per group factor will children interact in school and with friends around the house. They are sometimes encouraged to carry out bullying. Some children bully in attempt to prove that they can belong to a certain group, even though they themselves feel uncomfortable with the behavior. 4. Social environmental condition. Social environmental condition can also be a cause of bullying behavior. One of the social environmental factors that causes bullying is poverty. Those who live in poverty will do anything to meet their living needs, so it is not surprising that bullying often often occurs among students in the school environment. 5. Television show and print media. Television and print media shape bullying behavior, patterns in terms of the broadcast they despise. Okay, so that's from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.